Hi and welcome back, my name is Emily. In this video we're going to take a closer look at the new Monstera mini slimline die set from Trinity Stamp's latest release called Sweet Summer. This die set, this mini slimline, measures 6x3 and it's a solid cover plate that will cut out this beautiful leafy pattern on top of your cardstock, and I cut it out of some green cardstock and then I went in with my blending brushes and some green color as well, and you can see here how fast and easy you can create a background for your project. And I will also raise this up on top of my panel just because I love some dimension, and I just cut out of some fun foam to have that, and of course I'm using my liquid glue and it's messing with me here. So finally got it to work, and I will speed this up, and when I am done with this I will press it down to a card base that is slightly larger than 3x6, and on top I will just pop a sentiment from one of our newer die sets as well. And here you can see the finished project, and I hope you get inspired to create something similar. And if you like even more inspiration on this die set, you can visit our Facebook page, our Instagram account, and of course the blog. I will now leave you with some close-ups from the design team. Until next time, have a great day. Bye!